Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper garage. I'm taking this driver front side completely apart, and in previous video we were looking together how to remove this brake caliper. Now let's say that my project includes also removing the brake rotor. And that means that my next step will be removing this brake pads carrier. So let's go together and see how to remove it. It's very simple. So I will carefully remove this outer brake pad. And this one, as we said, it's really thin, right? 1 millimeter only. That should be replaced soon. When you work around this brake system, you can see that fine dust here. That's from actually the material of those brake pads. So whatever you do, make sure you are not breathing it in because it's toxic material. And there are 2 bolts involved in this. It's a 16 millimeter wrench. Let's see if I will be able to do it. This one is a little bit too small. These bolts are always very tight, but I should not have any problem using this, right? So once again, 16. Let's put it on. Switch the direction on the ratchet. Make sure it's fitting perfectly. Oh yeah. And the bolt nicely gave up. Now the bottom one, it's right here. There are 2 of them, as I said. So I will just do it right away. Yeah, they are really tight, always. And the bottom bolt is also loose. I will continue by the hand. Here you can see the bolt, that's the bottom one. And I will remove the top one. Just 1 more second. Perfect. And here is, finally, you can perfectly see that brake pads carrier. Again, it's nasty. All that dust is on it, right? So make sure you will clean it as soon as possible, because you definitely don't want to be breathing in that nasty dust. And this video was about the removal, but I would like to give you the torque numbers for these 2 bolts. As I said, they are always super tight, right? You saw it. So it's when you will be putting it back, it needs 110 Newton meters, which is 81 foot-pounds of torque. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed because I have way more videos coming your way soon. See ya!